Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I haven't uploaded in a while, so hope you will enjoy today's unboxing. Today I have two Louis unboxings for you, and you can see that they've been wrapped in different ribbons, and because I spoke to my CA and asked if I could get their game on as well as their holiday packaging, so she was nice enough to provide. I got them at separate times, but just putting it into one video, so hope you enjoy. If you haven't subscribed already and you like luxury SLG handbag unboxing or anything like that, then please subscribe to my channel and give this video a like. So today we have two. Let me open with this one first. Okay. For those that follow me on IG, you may know what one of these products are, because I already expressed that I would like to add it to my wish list, and I finally got a call and it finally arrived. So let me just show you this one first. Told her to put it in the box. That's the receipt. It's very thin, and what might it be? Dun, 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 dun. It's the Chinese New Year, the Year of the Ox, Louis Vuitton in the pink bandeau. It's very pretty. And I wanted this when I saw it about a month and something ago. And I thought it'd be a nice addition to add to one of my LV bags. So the back has different cows and the pink monogram on white background, and the front, I chose the pink. I believe they also have this in the red, but I thought the pink would look very nice. Okay, so I have the bandeau. Put this back. And then we have the one in a Game On collection with the thicker white strap. Any of you have any idea what this might be? I think I might need to. Like I said, I bought it separately, so there's two different receipts. Maybe the shape can give it away. There we go. It's the pochette accessoire in the damier azure print. It comes with this chain, which you can add to it. And I thought that the bandeau the color of this, like beigey gray, may go really well with the ox bandeau I got inside. It's just like fabric. She got me one that's made in France. The zipper is very smooth. And yeah, I just thought that this, I mean, I already have a Damier Azur Speedy in size 30, but these pochette accessoires prices keep going up. And from the January 7th price increase, I decided that I wanted to add one more to my collection. I already have the multi-pochette accessoire in the monogram canvas. Let me show that to you. So I already have this, and I took the strap off and added my own. So I've been wearing this, but then I thought that, you know, this would be a very nice collection. I mean, sorry, a very nice addition to my current collection. And I haven't decided if I'm gonna use that bag handle yet, but I do have a number of LV like Vachetta straps that I could use. So these are all my multi-pochettes. Pochette accessoire in Damier Azur. And maybe I should also include this. I also have the Christmas Animation 2020 in the monogram canvas as well. So it looks like I'm just missing a Damier a bin. So I might be buying that for this year's Christmas Animation 2021, and that would be a great addition. Yeah. So bringing back my Van Gogh. Okay, these are what I bought during CNY, and I hope you like it. Give a like to this video and comment if any of these stuff are on your list of wish list. Definitely, I know that a lot of people are trying to get their hands on this pochette accessoire. It took me a few weeks. I've been speaking to my CA and several other people to see if they're able to get it, and I waited about a few weeks before this came in. So I'm really happy about it. Okay, thanks for watching my video. See you next time. Bye.